Hello everyone, this is Pamperchew. Today I'm working on attempting to build a RGB demodulator. Actually, it's composite demodulator to output RGB video as a composite so that I can hook it up to my Triniscope television when it's complete. And since I haven't done this before, it's been a lot of reading up on how NTSC and composite and all that is different. So right now I'm at taking a signal from a generator and then putting it into a device. I found this little panel here, and the reason why I am using this right now is because I noticed that it had red, green, and blue outputs going to the LCD itself, where the little cable would go. So I thought, well, maybe that is just that simple, and I could just take those signals, and that would be my red, green, and blue. But it's not quite exactly that, I guess. So this is the input, this is the output I have on one pin. Let's see here. So that's the video common, that green wire. And there's a red, green, and blue. And then I have, so that would be red or something. I can probably get it to, no, that one's way off. But there's, for example, green, I think. You can see that some bars are brighter than others, but it should be completely black and white. I think maybe the voltages are just offset, or there could be a DC offset for the TTL that's used in this little panel here. And what I need is something different. I don't know what I need, but it's something different. There's the other channel. That would be the green. That's the green. If I turn this off here, yeah, it doesn't really make a difference in understanding it, but I did notice if I get the voltage down just enough where it's barely functional, I can get the two bars I wanted to see that stand out differently. So that's where I'm at. And I did find another board that would probably work better, or it would just look nicer anyway. This is a composite input for an LCD monitor. Here's the rest of the monitor electronics. This is this Genesis chip, but I don't need this board right here. I might use it later for just advanced control of the TV I'm building, but for now I just want to have something to split up an NTSC signal into the RGB composite outputs, so that each CRT has its own color, and then it will be recombined using the prism, wherever it is. Here's one of the tubes I have. Well, I attached it to the front of a bracket that is going to be mounted to the optics. And this is going to be the green, so I had to be very careful to make sure it was exactly right. The next part, put it out in here. And this is here's the cube, the big one. I found a smaller one. I might use the smaller one, but this is the cube that actually splits up the color. it's sealed in there pretty good right now. So this is the beginning of the layout for the TV in it, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use it for the final box and build something around it, or mount some feet on it and have it upside down, so just the one side has the tubes and not all the extra electronics. I'm not sure yet. But here's a power switch I put on, and that's the power supply board, and the main switch for the go to the wall. And I'm looking for the optics. Is this the optics? That's not the optics. There it is. So I found this little one that will fit. It'll work perfect for the size of the tubes I'm working with, since they're 1 centimeter TV screens. This will be more than enough. And maybe another day I wanted to make this into a direct view color sequencer. So it would be a black and white TV tube. This spins in front of the tube itself, and then you look at it. I guess it wouldn't be direct. Oh yeah, it could be direct view. So as it spins fast enough, it chops up the black and white into red, green, or it looks yellow there, and blue, and make the world's smallest direct view color sequencer. These are all my optics, lenses, optical glass. Here's all my mini CRTs that I could fit in this box. And the rest of them are in here. A few of them are. There's a camera tube. If I ever get this Triniscope working and finished, I might go to another exotic Triniscope with the larger color prism that I have. I also have 3 of these, or 4 of these flat tube little CRTs that Sony made. You can see one of the big ones up there. It's meant for a portable TV tube, and they made a smaller version, smaller than this even, but I don't have any use for them, just sitting as a black and white TV that you can't hook up to anything right now. Can't watch TV on it because there's no more NTSC broadcast, but the tubes, I like to reuse them for something. They're really cool looking. Well, I think that's it for now where I'm at. And I'll put a picture in here, I guess, to show what a finished product might look like. But there are 3 CRTs pointed into a cube. There are 3 CRTs pointed inward at this cube here. And how did that get stuck in there? Anyway. And the color gets combined, the black and white monochrome from the 1 tube, 2nd tube, and 3rd tube are red, green, and blue information, but it's in monochrome. And then it gets combined in the cube and outputs a full color image. And this came out of a projector, so any projector that has a 3 LCD or 3 DLP system in it is going to have this kind of cube to combine the colors, or to combine the monochrome information to make color, I should say. Well, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.